We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 25. Which measurements could represent the side lengths in feet of a right triangle? To determine the side lengths of a right triangle, apply the Pythagorean theorem. A square plus B square equals C square. Option A, 10 square plus 24 square equals 100 plus 576 equals 676, which is 26 square. Hence, A is the correct answer. Question number 26. Pentagon ABCDE is dilated by a scale factor of 7/3 with the origin as the center of dilation to create pentagon A prime B, prime C prime D, prime E prime. If XY represents the location of any point on pentagon ABCDE, which ordered pair represents the location of the corresponding point on pentagon A prime, B prime C prime D prime E prime? Pentagon ABCDE is dilated by a scale factor of 7/3. Dilated means changes the size of a shape, so multiplied by 7/3. J is the correct answer here. Question number 27. The dimensions of a cylinder are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the lateral surface area in square centimeters of the cylinder? The formula for the lateral surface area of a cylinder, S equals 2 times pi times r times h. Pi is approximately 3.114. R is half of the diameter, which is equal 5.8 centimeters divided by 2 equals 2.9. H is the height, which is equal to 7.6. Hence, S equals 2 times 3.14 times 2.9 times 7.6 equals 138.5 centimeters square. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 28. The two lines graphed on the coordinate grid represent a system of equations. What is the x-coordinate of the ordered pair that best represents a solution to both equations? The solution to both equations is the intersection of the two lines. On the coordinate grid above, the intersection is the point 0, 0. Hence, x-coordinate is 0. G is the correct answer.